channel. Thank you so much for being here. So today I'm going to show you how to get this green and blue cut crease look with a little extra sprinkle of glitter. If you like this look, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you are not subscribed already. So let's get started. As always, I'm going to start by priming my eyes with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. I'm going to blend it out with a brush, but I am not going to set it with any powder because I want the colors to be super bright, super pigmented, and super rich. To start, I'm going to go in with the black shade from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette on a Morphe M506 brush. I'm going to blend this into my crease, and then I'm going to curve that crease line upwards towards the tail of my brow bone so that it creates a really nice lifted shape. Now I'm just pushing the product into the crease. I am not blending it out. I just want to deposit the color first. Next, I'm going to go in with the pink color from the Juvia's Place Festival palette. That is the Irigi color on another Morphe M506 brush. I'm going to layer this over the black and slightly higher, and then I'm going to use that shade to lightly blend out the black. You want to do small circular motions, you want to do windshield wiper motions, and we're just going to follow the same shape that we laid down initially. For our third transition shade, I'm going to be going in with the Ophala color from the Juvia's Place Festival palette. That is that orange color there. And I'm going to layer that over the pink color and lightly combine those two areas together using a Morphe M506 brush. So I'm going to go in with the Oro color from that same festival palette on yet another Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to place this all the way at the top closest to the brow just to lighten that area up and to make it blend into my skin a little bit more seamlessly. So now it's time to carve out our lid. I'm going in with a super small flat brush and that same LA Girl Pro Conceal. You really want to take your time with this step so that you get a really nice clean cut, something that looks really sharp and precise. I'm then going to go in with the Man Wu color on the inner third of my eye. I'm just going to pack it in as gently as I can. So the next color we're going to place on our lid is the Niger color from the Afrique palette. That's that beautiful green. I'm going to place that right in the center of the lid, making sure to blend it into the Man Wu color that we place into our inner eye corner. Take your time, really pack it on so that you get something nice and seamless. The last color we're going to place on our lids is the Côte d'Ivoire color from that same Afrique palette. This blue completely blew my mind. No pun intended. It is just so rich and so pretty, and it is just giving me everything that I need right now. So I'm placing this into the outer third of my eye using what I believe is an e.l.f. eyeliner brush. And I am just making sure to really pack it on and to blend it into the green color. And before we move on, I'm going to go back in with all three colors on the lid just to make sure that they are blending seamlessly into one another, to make sure that they are creating a beautiful gradient. This is another really important step. You don't want to skip this. You really want to go in and fine tune your blend so that it is seamless. You don't want to see where one color starts and another ends. Now it's time for some fun with glitter. I'm going to go in with this chunky glitter I purchased from Amazon, as well as the NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to apply this into the inner corner of my eye and along the base of my crease. And I'm just going to pack that on using a super small detail brush. You guys know how I love these detail brushes that come in nail art kits. I will leave a link to that in the description box. Super affordable, and they just get the job done. I'm then going to go in with a detail angle brush and that black shade from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and I'm going to place this above the glitter. What this is going to do is it's going to sharpen up your crease for one. It's going to give you some more depth, some more dimension, and it's just going to create a contrast to really make the whole eye look pop. I'm I'm gonna give myself a wing liner using the NYX Matte Black Liquid Liner, and then I'm gonna clean that up with a flat brush and some concealer. This is just gonna give me that sharpness, that crispness. This is just gonna give me that sharpness and some crispiness. I'm not sure where I'm going with this line of thought, but either way, give yourself a wing liner. I'm not going too big just because I don't want to cover up all these colors that are on our lid. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to grab that black shadow on a Morphe E37 brush and just place that below my lashes. Then I'm going to go in with a Morphe M506 brush and that Ophala color, and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line even more, buff out that black color so it looks a little bit more seamless. Then we're gonna go back in with some more glitter, and we're gonna apply that to our inner eye corner just to exaggerate it a little bit more. I'm then gonna go in and line my waterline with a black eyeliner pencil. For mascara, I'm going in with the Revlon Ultimate All-in-One Mascara for my top and bottom lashes, and then I'm gonna apply the Cocoa Lashes in the Queen Bee style. One of you lovely ladies hopped into my DMs to tell me to do more full face tutorials, so this is for you, boo. Moving on to the face, I'm going to start by applying my foundation. I'm using the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream and blending it out with an e.l.f. powder brush. Don't come for me. I bought this foundation, so I have to use it, okay? Thanks. To contour my face and to deepen the foundation up, I'm going to go in with the Sephora Bright Future Gel Serum in the color Hot Cocoa. I'm going to place that along my cheekbones, my jawline, and around the perimeter of my face. And then I'm just going to blend that out with a Real Techniques contour brush. To highlight and conceal, I'm going to go in with that same LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. I'm going to place this highlight underneath my eyes, my forehead, my chin, around my lips, and down the bridge of my nose. And then I'm going to blend this all out with a damp beauty sponge. And whatever concealer is left over, I'm going to place along my jawline just to create a little bit of an extra pop and to make my cheekbones stand out even more. Using that same damp beauty sponge, I'm going to set my face with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm going to place this powder everywhere that I highlighted. So I'm going to dust off the excess powder, and then I'm going to buff my entire face with my Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder in the color Milk Chocolate. I'm going to focus on the areas that I contoured first since they have not been set with any powder, and then I'm going to buff all the sections together so that it's seamless and it just creates a beautiful blended canvas. To add some warmth and some dimension back into my skin, I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl Queen Ebony Bronzer on a fluffy brush. I'm gonna take this along my cheekbones and around the perimeter of my face. For highlight, I'm going in with the Artist Couture Jackie Aina collaboration in the color La Peach. This has been my go-to. I don't know why, I've just fallen in love with it once again. So I'm going to take that on an e.l.f. small tapered blending brush. For blush, I'm going in with Zane and Toby from the Juvia's Place blush palette in dark, and I'm taking that on an e.l.f. complexion brush. I'm then going to set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I love this stuff. For lips, I'm first going to line my lips with Jordana lip liner in the color Mulberry Cream. Then I'm going to go in with this lipstick from Maybelline, and then I'm going to go in with Ooh from the Shayla X ColourPop collaboration. I've been loving this peachy nude to give me a little bit of gloss, a little bit of sheen. I'm gonna go in with the Lissa Ashley e.l.f. collaboration lip gloss over top. If you like this super colorful look, I've put together a playlist of some of my other colorful looks for you to check out. Definitely check out that playlist. It's going to be listed at the end of this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I know you're going to have a fantastic week. Bye.